Part 2 of this video. Base stuff for the expedition. Got two Scar, however the hell you want to pronounce it. EVL 15s, the dual terminals, or the dual fucking ohm instead of the 4 ohm. I believe that you can wire the 2 ohm lower than the 4 ohm. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not sure, but I believe so. Yeah, dual 2, nice little frequency range, 1250 watts. I plan on getting me some VVRs, the higher line brand of these. These right here just might start, and we'll see how that goes from there. But let's unbox these, shall we? All right, so we got a little damage on this box from shipping. Hopefully the speaker's not damaged, but if it is, Skyer's gonna find out. Fancy little box cutter. I got this from one of my jobs. But anyway, I'm gonna be on here slicing my fingers off. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but I got it. Yeah. Stickers that I'm not gonna run ever, because I don't care to let everybody know what the hell I got in my truck, because it's none of their business. Yeah, thought about some 18s, but I'm not about that life. I do 4 15s before 2 18s or whatever. All the little fancy stuff, dimensions of the speaker and blah. I don't care about that either. The box, I'm getting one built. I'm gonna insert some pictures of what I got planned for my box. I went through a GP Car Audio, and I got the glue it and screw it box. So that's gonna be that. And I think it should make some good noise. We got the EVL 15 dual terminal, 2500 watts max, 1200 RMS. I'm stupid, sorry. Not a big magnet, but hey, I guarantee it's gonna make some racket. Plenty of it. And then the goodness. Alrighty. Yeah. That's gonna look lovely in my box. No homo. Stiff. Nice and stiff. I can't wait to break them in. Alright, struggle's real. One moment. Alright. Struggle's over. We got the baby out. She's looking lovely. Let me flip it. No damage from the shipping. So, that's good. Made in the USA? The voice coil is anyway. That's funny. Too bad it ain't American base, huh? Yeah, nice stiff. Brand new speaker. I can't wait for my box to come in. So, to go along with my other stuff, got me a voltmeter. Gonna be slapping in the truck. I don't speak Chinese, so I can't read that to y'all, but I know it reads up to 30 volts. And it's gonna be pretty. I'm pretty sure. I think I got the blue one. It's gonna go with the rest of my blue stuff I got going on in there. And my wire. Probably should have got black and blue, but green would be fine. Then my GP audio decal. Not running that either. But yeah. We got the hookup. Now we're just waiting on a box to come in for those. This, that, whatever. Got two of them. 215 is gonna be running in a nice box. And yeah, I thought I'd throw another video up for you guys. I'm gonna be making more. Just been busy with other stuff in life and kid, wife, family stuff, you know. But all right, y'all stay up.